Good morning, and let's celebrate. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Anurag Agrawal, and I've been giving training on how you have to improve your business. If your business is small, how to make a small business into a big one, and big into a mega one. If you want to join our course, you can call us on above mentioned number, but not to forget that you have to press on the subscribers button, and also not to forget to press on the bell icon so that you constantly get our videos. The topic that I'm going to take today is how to improve your relations with your customers, existing customers, how to improve your relations with your existing customers. If you want to do a very good business for a long time, you have to win the faith of your customer. You have to charge them reasonably. Okay. Now, if you are trying to extract all the golden eggs in one day, you will keep your customers away. But if you are taking up a small profit, let's say one golden egg every day, you'll keep your competitors away. You have to win the heart of your customer. Give the best product, best behavior, best product, and after sales service. I'm not saying that you have to charge them very less, but I'm also saying that you must not charge them too much. Look around what the other people are doing, what the other competitors are doing. According to their product, according to the quality of your product, the services, you must charge them. Do not charge them too high, do not charge them too less. So look into it, have the best price, and I'm assuring you, you'll go very good. You will have a very good relation with your customers, and they will have faith on your product. If you want to improve your relation with your customers, next most important thing is that you have to employ those ones who can smile with your customers. Those girls, those sales girls do not know how to smile with the customers. They do not sell. Customers do not come back to them. At the time of hiring, you have to take care of this, or you may learn from aviation industry, hospitality industry, or hotel industry. You park your car at the porch of one of the five-star hotels and see, look at the valet, look at the receptionist, look at the people at the front desk, concierge. They all greet you, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and they have ear-to-ear smile on their face. They want business, and they know by giving importance to the people, they get more business. Learn from them. If you want to have good relation with your customer, smile with them, greet them. That's important. 90% of the customers, they never come back with the complaints. Only 10% people do. And if 10% people are coming with the complaints, they are the free of cost feedback. Why do you argue with them? Why don't you listen to them? Most people, they never listen, they argue, they try to shield themselves, they try to reply back to them, and this way they are losing their customers. Do not lose your customers. Listen to the problems. These feedback, if you want to have from your customer, will take a lot of money and time. It's free of cost. God had been very clever. He gave us 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we speak less and hear more. Whereas we do exactly the opposite. We speak more and hear less. I often say all those guys who speak more and listen less, hear less, they are actually the burden for the management. You not only have to have good relation with your customer, but also you have to win the confidence and trust of your customer. Why would customer buy from you? If you give them credit, or if you are giving them some kind of guarantee, or if you are giving them some kind of free trial. These are the things that build up the confidence and trust of your customer in your product, in your services. So these are one of the finest ways of having good relation with your customer, and that lasts very long. Most people are thinking about their benefits. They think about their benefits. They think about their money, their returns, their profit. But I would say, if you want to go long, if you want to do good business, if you want to have good relation with your customer, you have to think about the benefit of your customer first. If he takes the benefits, if he earns, if he is satisfied, he'll give you business again and again and again. All those businessmen who are thinking about me first, they don't last long. In business, what happens? You have to invest first, and then the profit follows. If you want to have friends, you will have to become a friend yourself first. If you want that people would love you, you'll have to start giving love first. In business, if you are thinking about your benefit, your money, your profit, no, it would not work. Think about the benefit of your customer. Last but not the least, I'm going to mention about the problem which is most painful for you, and that is delayed payments. Guys, I'm again telling you, if you want to have good relation with your customer, never abuse, never criticize, never argue, never be shouting at your customer at the time of seeking payments which are delayed too much. Never do it. If you do it, say goodbye to your payment. In the last, friends, if you want to join our business course or public speaking course, you may call us on above mentioned number. But before that, not to forget, if you have not done so far, not to forget that you have to push the subscribe button, and also not to forget that you also have to push the bell icon so that you keep on getting our videos again and again. You may like the video and can share the video with your business friends, and I'll keep giving you such ideas in the coming videos. Bye-bye. Shabakar Bisingya. Good night.